Hi everybody, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to apply for Grabfood delivery bike. Now before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video from where you can simply support to this channel. Now becoming a Grab delivery partner is really simple. What you need to do is simply head over to www.grab.com/sd/driver and /deliver. So basically, you're going to be becoming a Grab food delivery. You need a Grab food delivery bike. So on this page, you should sign up. Now you can also download the Grab driver app, and once you click on sign up, you will be able to see that a sign up section will be opened up in front of you. You're going to be simply telling us about your personal details in here, like for example the city you belong to, your first name and last name, and your cell phone number. And a referral code is optional. If you have one, you can enter in here. They might give you some special offers, and if you do not have it, you can simply skip this. After that, you also have an option to link your social account, so you can sign in with Google. You can see once you sign in and you log into their account, you will be able to apply for their bike. So that's how simply you can apply for a bike on Grab, and you can see all the perks and features that you are going to be getting once you do that. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply support to our channel. And yeah, also make sure to head over to the link to Simple Tutorials channel for more content like these as we upload regularly. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more.